let's build an all-white MSI gaming PC. But before we do that, let me introduce you to the parts. For the case, we're going to be going with the MPG Gungnir 300R Airflow White, which comes with 4 pre-included ARGB fans and an ARGB GPU bracket included, which is awesome. The motherboard of choice is going to be the Z790 Edge TI Max Wi-Fi Edition. This motherboard is gorgeous and it supports up to 5 M.2 SSDs, which is crazy. And it has a built-in Wi-Fi 7 chip, which is awesome. And for the brains of this PC, we're going to be going with the Intel 13900K. And to cool that CPU, we're going to be using the MAG Core Liquid E360 White Edition. This AIO cooler is going to be handling the 13900K with ease. For the power supply, we're going to be going with the MAG. For the power supply, we're going to be going with the MAG A850GL PCIe 5, which comes PCIe 5.0 ready, and it's 80 plus gold. For the GPU, we're going to be going with an RTX 4070 Ti Gaming X Trio White Edition. For the RAM, we're going to be going with 32 gigs of DDR5 from Dryden Z White Edition as well. And finally, for storage, we're going to be adding a 1TB M.2 SSD. And make sure to stay tuned for part 2 where I build this gaming PC.